This video will show you how to assign materials in Blender. Please watch up to the very end. When you open Blender, you'll need to go ahead and delete the default cube, as for better explanation I'll use the monkey head for this tutorial for your own deeper understanding. So go on and press delete to delete the default cube. Press Shift to go to Mesh and add the monkey head. Let's give it more geometry by adding a subdivision modifier for better looks. Increase the view levels to 2. Go to Objects and shade it smooth. Now that it looks good, we are ready to give it some material, so go to the Properties panel and switch to Material Properties. Click on the plus sign, then go to New to add a new material. Now we have a material on our monkey head. So let's come here and rename it. Now come to the material preview. You can see it looking white because we haven't adjusted anything on its color yet. To adjust the color, come here to Base Color. To change it, you click on this point and move it around the palette. You can now see colors changing on our monkey head. I'll give it this brown, it will do us good as I explain further. Now like the video before we go to the most interesting part. To see more adjustment, come down to the metallic value. Increase to see how it changes the look on our object. Now come down to the roughness. Reduce its value to see the changes. Now increase it. Let's use a low roughness on a high metallic value. You can see the result. Now increase the roughness and come down to clear coat. Increase it to see the results. Now let's say you want to add another material on the same object. Just come back to this plus button and click on it. Go to New to add a new material. Let's rename it. Now press Tab to go to the Edit mode. Press 1 on the numpad, then select this vertex on this eye and then hold Shift and select on the other one. Press Ctrl numpad plus to select more until you've selected the entire eye. Make sure the new material is selected, then click here on Assign. You can now see that our object has a new material. You can manipulate its look the same way we did for the first material. Let's even add another material. Click on this plus sign again. Rename it. Press Tab to go to the Edit mode. Select this vertex on this eye and then hold Shift and select on the other one. Press Ctrl numpad plus to select more once. Click on Assign to give it this new material. You can change its color the same way we've done. Press Tab to go back to object mode. You can turn down the roughness for these ones to give them an eye look. Now it's ready for render. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you never miss out on our latest content. Also, let us know what you want us to teach you about Blender in the comments. I promise we'll make a video. Have fun animating. I sign out.